Hi friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared this beetroot momos. This is my version. I'm going to first start with the filling. So for the filling, I have finely chopped all the veggies in the chopper. I've mentioned all the veggies that I've used in the screen itself. First, I've heated a pan. To the pan, I'll be adding sesame oil. Once the sesame oil has started to smoke, that is when I've added ginger and garlic paste. I'll fry it till the raw flavor has completely gone. Then I'll be adding all the finely chopped veggies. All the veggies that I'm using here is mushrooms, finely chopped mushrooms, carrots, cabbage, capsicum, onion, chilies and coriander. I'll be frying all these veggies on medium flame. Now I'll be adding salt as per taste. I'll fry all the veggies till it releases all the moisture and it is cooked evenly. Once it is cooked well, I'll remove it from the flame and allow it to cool down completely, and the veggies will set in the meantime. Now here for the dough, I've reserved some peeled beetroot, soaked red chilies and wheat flour and maida, that is all purpose flour. In a mixer jar, I've added beetroot, soaked red chilies, salt and some water, ground it into a smooth paste. Now in the mixing bowl, I've combined the wheat flour and maida and I've added the ground beetroot paste and I've started to knead it into a smooth dough. Once I've kneaded the dough into a smooth format, now I'll be adding some oil and knead it further. Cover this and allow this to rest for half an hour. After half an hour, I'll be forming small roundels, and once the roundels have formed, I'll dip it in some wheat flour and start rolling it out into small puris. The thickness should be exactly the same as puris. Now once I've finished rolling these out, I'll reserve this. Meanwhile, my filling is ready as well. I've reserved some butter to brush on the steamer and on top of the momos. Now I'm doing a very simple fold here. I placed 2 teaspoons of the filling in the right in the center of that rolled dough, and I'm just folding it in half and pinching all the edges till it's nicely sealed, and then I'm bringing both the edges together to form a round momo. Here I've heated a steamer ahead of time. I'm just going to brush some butter in the steamer and start placing my momos. Once I place the momos, I've just brushed it with some butter and steam cooked it for 5 to 10 minutes on high flame. Once it is steamed well, my momos are ready. Do try this recipe, friends, and post your comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with your friends. I'll be seeing you soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.